Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can get paid to search Google. Now this is like most things I share on this channel, this is really simple to do. It's absolutely free to get started with and it's available worldwide. And what I'll do is I'll show you the website, I'll show you how you can do this yourself, I'll show you the whole process from start to finish. And we'll just go through this and what you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing, and just make sure you watch the video right through to the end, and then you'll know exactly what you need to do and where you need to go. And I'll drop links below this video so you can just get direct access just to go over to the website. Now very quickly before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. On the screen's one of my blogs. On the screen is my YouTube channel, so if you're interested in earning online, working from home and just simple ways to make money, be sure to go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and also give the video a like if you like it. If you don't like it, then go ahead and hit that thumbs down button. If you're looking for some free resources to make some money online, go over to my blog here. And on my blog I've got a members area, this here. Go over to the members area, go into the earn online money. There's free resources in there, there's PDFs, there's courses, there's ebooks, there's lots of things in there. You simply just click on them and it will start downloading for you. So let's jump into today's video and I'll share how you can get paid to search on Google. So this here is the website and it's called presearch.io. Now this here is basically, let me bring this down for you. It's a search engine, but it's a search engine and it's powered by, it's basically a search engine using blockchain technology, and you get paid in a cryptocurrency token. Now just because it's in crypto, don't let that put you off, because crypto, it's not as difficult as many people make this out to be. It follows a similar process to things like swag, other things. So on Swagbooks, you go ahead and search on Google and you earn Amazon vouchers or PayPal vouchers, and then you withdraw them. On Presearch, you earn crypto tokens. Once you've got those crypto tokens, you then go and exchange those for you go ahead and exchange them for Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum, or you can simply just go to an exchange, sell them into US dollars, and then withdraw that money into your bank account. So this here is the website. Now you can see here it's currently in beta testing. It's currently got 250,000 users which are using this search engine. So it's basically a decentralized search engine. Now this is the website, and if you scroll down here, it's got all the details about this. But this is a proper legitimate company. These are all of the team members involved with this. It's a big team on here. So you can go ahead and you can check all of this out. There's links to the social profiles on here, everything on here, Medium, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and also their YouTube channel. So you can go ahead and have a look at all of this. Now, in terms of getting paid to search Google, you're going to go ahead and join the site or sign up to the site. So once you're signed up, and it's really simple, it's just name, email, password, and then you'll be met with this page here. Now, I signed up to this literally about 2 minutes ago, so we could go through this whole process together. So once you've signed up, this is the page that we're met with, and we'll just go through this here. We'll just go through this tour. So when you search, you'll be rewarded with pre-crypto tokens. So you search like you normally would do, and you earn tokens for going ahead and searching. Now you can see up here, so this is how many tokens you have, and it says here you will earn 0.25 pre-tokens per search. So it will allow you to do 32 searches a day. So it basically means you're going to earn 8 tokens, and I'll show you exactly how much these tokens are worth in a minute. I'll show you how much they were in the past, how much they were yesterday, etc. We'll go through that in a second. Now it says here, by default, when you search, will go to Google. So you can see here, but looking at this, you can use other search engines. So you can see here, if you want to search another site directly, just click the corresponding icon. So you just go through these and search on here. Next, let me just move my head up here. To see all of the search options, click the pre-search button here. So you can just click on here and it'll bring up all of the different search engines available for you and the different websites. And then you've got customize here, so if you want to go ahead and customize this search bar here, you can do so. So now this is just loading up a second. It's just going through the intro, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and I'll do a search on here, and we'll see the balance up here, that the pre-tokens. This will go ahead and give us tokens, or it should give us tokens. So you can see here default. So these are all of our different search engines that we've just looked at. Let's hang on, let me just click on cancel, let me click on next. To add a new icon, you can just simply go to the list below. So looking at this, you can go ahead and use this search on Amazon, CNN. You've got all these different things on here. You've got Etsy over here, eBay. So there's lots and lots of different sites that you can use this search engine on. Click on next. You can search, so you can filter this if you want to. Let's come out with this. Come on. Or you can browse by category. So you can go through and search for these different things by a category. They've even got Netflix on here, so you can add them up there. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's come on. Let's get this done. Yes, okay, we can set an icon to delete an icon. So this is just basically, there you go, finished. Let's do this. So that is the walkthrough of the website. And again, I know I've gone a little bit quick through that, but basically it's just telling you if you search, you're going to earn tokens. So start with us. So you can install the Chrome extension. So you'd install the Chrome extension and you can put it up here, or you can simply come to this home page whenever you're searching and can go on here. But in terms of making this whole process quick and easy, I mean, I just install this Chrome extension. So let's go ahead and do a search on here and see how this looks and see if we go ahead and earn some tokens up here. So let's just go with how to make money selling drugs. How to make money online. How to make money selling drugs. Each their own, I suppose. So this is just loading up now. So make money online. So you can see here it's given us the search results and it's brought up everything that would come up on Google for us. So let me just come down here a second, and then what we'll do is we'll jump back over onto the website and see if we've gone ahead and earned some tokens. And then once we've done that, I'll show you how much the tokens are worth and where you can go ahead and sell them once you've gone ahead and got those tokens. So let me go back over here. Let's go back over onto presearch.org, and on the top right hand side we'll go ahead and see if indeed it has gone ahead and given us 0.25 tokens. So go here, come on, let's go back over here. So we'll go in here. So you can see here is the search, here is the 0.25. So I've already gone ahead and then 0.25 tokens. So you can earn 8 of these pre-search tokens a day. So basically all you're going to be doing is you're going to be going on to Google or whichever website you're doing, but simply install the browser, install the Chrome extension up here, just click on that and you'd search as you normally do, and then you're going to go ahead and earn these tokens for doing so. So how much are the tokens worth? So to find all of the tokens and how much they're worth, you use this site here. It's called CoinMarketCap. Now, in terms of crypto, finding out the price of any coin, lots and lots of people know this site. Now, if I scroll down here, you can see this is how much one of these tokens are currently worth. So they're worth 0.03 cents. And since yesterday, the price of this token has gone up 8%. Scroll down here, it gives you all of the information on here, so how much the market cap and also the current trading volume. But don't worry about any of this. What we'll do is we'll scroll down here. This here is a chart which shows you the value of the token over time. So you can see here when the token first launched, this was, if I hover over here, so you can see the price. So you've got the market cap, which is the light blue circle. You want to be looking at the green circle below, which says price in US dollars. So you can see it was at 22 cents, and then let's just scroll this further along. You can see it was going up and down, and then in January, when there was a bull run, well, in December, January, there was a bull run on crypto, but you can see here the price shot up to, it went 72, 66, it then went back up to 72 again, 73. So you can see at one point at the height of this, so if you was doing this back in January, you would have been earning, each token was worth 0.729. So let's go and have a quick look at that on a calculator. So we've got 0.729 cents and times that by 8. So you would have been earning $5.83 every single day from using this search engine. Now currently, so you can see along the bottom you've got the month. So scroll on here, so you can see here the price went all the way up and then it went down, very similar to lots of different cryptocurrencies. And it goes, you can see, you can just follow this along and you can go right up to the current date. So at this moment in time, you can see how much the token is worth. This is the price of this. So basically what you do is you use this search engine, you can earn these tokens every single day. Once you have the tokens, you can just simply take those tokens to an exchange and then cash them out for US dollars. Now, in order to do that, the really simple thing to do for that is this website here. So this is one of my websites. This is Low Cap Crypto, because I'm also involved in crypto. If you want to know the whole process about cashing out crypto and just basically going to a crypto exchange, it's really simple. Don't worry about it. You just simply come over to here, come over to Low Cap Crypto, go on to guides, and it will walk you through. If you go on exchanges, it will walk you through the exchanges and how you need to go ahead and cash that out. But basically, you do your searches, you get given your coins or your crypto tokens. Once you've got those tokens, you go to an exchange and you cash them out. It's really simple, it's really easy, and that is pretty much today's video. So this is the search engine. I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can earn 8 of these a day. Now, personally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this for a couple of months, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just keep hold of all of the tokens that I am, because at this moment in time crypto is in a bear market. If you don't know what bear market is, it basically means the price is very low, and prices have been suppressed at this. I mean, look, you can see here pretty much all year the price has been pretty rubbish on this, and it's the same on a lot of different crypto tokens. The price hasn't been great. Moving into 2019, I thoroughly expect the price of not on this coin but all of the crypto, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. I'm expecting the price of everything to go up. We may see a little dip before we go up, but I'm just going to go ahead, collect these tokens, wait until the middle of 2019, and then I'll simply go ahead and cash those out, because the max supply, there's not a lot of these tokens available. So I thoroughly expect the price of this to go back up definitely by the summertime. So that's today's video. That is how you can get paid to search Google. Leave your questions below. If you have any comments whatsoever, then I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.